night. In the middle of the night I call your name. Oh, Yoko. Oh, Yoko. Take time, mate. What a fucking prick. Well, yeah. Clear me front. I haven't done a van chat for a long time. And as you see, I'm a pretty happy chappy. Pretty happy chappy indeedy. Not a thing to moan about. Not a thing. Not one thing to moan about. Is that normal for you, Robert? Well, sometimes. Sometimes it's just a way of life, you know. And you know, well, you know, YouTube is a drama place. And when you hear the word drama, we all know what they're talking about these days. Because he is a drama queen. Yeah, well. Well, sorry, mate. Am I in your fucking way or what? You fucking boner. So, sorry, a van literally fucking went straight, well, you're going to see it on the fucking video, straight across me. What the fuck's going on this planet? So it was starting off to be a nice, I'm fucking telling you, I'm definitely fucking cracking up without a doubt. I'm out with Jason occasionally now. He asked me to help, and I pitch in and give my best. Apart from that, nothing's happening. But live nights are great. Other people live nights are great. Everybody's doing great, and that's the way we wanted it. There's still a few backstabbers. I've noticed. I noticed one the other day trying to cause a flare-up, but it didn't work because he was utterly ignored, which is fucking brilliant. Because we don't want it. We not me, all of us. You know, we got no need for it now. Get on with life, have fun, and sod the rest of the world, really. You know, sod them. Just get out there and have fun. Right, I gotta take this van, man, because he's cracking me. He's the one that can cut me off, so. But this is the worst road in fucking Wales. Why is this lorry on the fast lane? Ah, he's going down the docks, okay. If he goes down the docks, everybody is happy. There's a lot of stripy looking vans around here. So it's Thursday. It's Thursday. Tonight is live night. Need I say more? We tend to have a laugh. We tend to piss take a hell of a lot, but nothing is serious. Believe me, we are fun lovers. We are not haters. we have a laugh, and whoever we're taking the mick out of usually takes the mick back. You know, he's not a one-off thing. It's a back and forth thing. We're not pinpointing anybody in Pacific. It's just a laugh. It's just a giggle. I think every channel does it because I've heard it. So just a giggly giggle, giggly. So what? You got something to say? Fucking idiot. There's just so many of them around, isn't there? Really, just so many. But as soon as they see a camera on the freaking dashboard, they go, "Oh my god, is he fucking serious?" Oh, I'd like. I've been watching Hoodies. I don't know if you watch Hoodie. Love it, absolutely love it. Jason Andrews, good channel, and he is whopping up the subscribers, whopping. He's catching up to everybody. He's found the format. He's in the channel, and there's no stopping him. So right on. Nothing at all to do with me, of course. Nothing at all to do with me. A lot of channels, channels with content, the builders, etc. I see some channels are frozen time and just not moving. It's just froze. So I don't know what's happening there, but I don't know. So anyway, I've had enough chin wagging. I'll see you tonight.